Good morning, students. Today's topic is blood. Study of blood, hematology. In body fluids and circulation, the main aspect is blood. Study of blood is hematology. You know that in blood, this is one of the fluid connective tissue which consists of fluid connective tissue. It consists of plasma and blood corpuscles. Plasma and blood corpuscles. This is a fluid matrix, and here have a blood corpuscles we called as the formed elements. Formed elements, right? Plasma and formed elements. Plasma consists of 55% in blood. Rest of corpuscles are the formed elements are the 45%. Now here see, adult healthy human consists of 5 to 6 liters of blood. Now here the blood corpuscles are the formed elements. Formed elements. These formed elements consist of the RBC and WBC and platelets. Now if you are talking about RBC, erythrocytes, we call as a erythrocytes. Generally know the formation of blood cells known as hematopoiesis. Formation of blood cells called as hemo or hematopoiesis. Hemo or hematopoiesis. Now the formation of red blood cells called as erythropoiesis. That's the formation of RBC in the bone marrow, red bone marrow in the adult. If it is in the early embryonic stage, this will be happens in the yolk sac of mesoderm. If it is in what we call after embryological development and early stage of birth, it is a temporary erythropoietic organs of the liver also considered. Now here the formation of RBC in the adult means what? After birth we called as the erythropoiesis. Right? It takes place in the red bone marrow. Got it? So here, if RBC number, if it is increase, means increase number of RBC in our blood due to some reasons, that is known as the RBC number. If it is rise in our blood, we call as a polycythemia. That condition is called as a polycythemia. In sometimes that RBC number going to decrease during inflammation conditions. That condition known as erythrocytopenia. It leads to the anemia. Erythrocytopenia leads to the anemia. That RBC number you can measure cubic millimeter. In cubic millimeter. Here see, in the adult male, 5 millions of RBC per cubic millimeter, whereas in the female the number is 4.5 millions per cubic millimeter. micrometer. The RBC lifespan is 120 days. After 120 days span, if it is finished, it will be destroyed in the spleen. That's the reason spleen is known as burial ground of RBC. Burial ground of RBC or the graveyard of RBC. You know that RBC size of RBC is 7.8 micrometer. 7.8 micrometer, the size of RBC, and moreover the shape is the oval shape or is the round shape, biconcave in the mammal. In mammal generally it is the biconcave shape, whereas a camel and llama it is elliptical shape, and moreover RBC are the enucleated. See, that's the reason enucleated means that RBC does not have, matured RBC does not have nucleus. That's the reason if RBC does not have nucleus means more space will be there in the cytoplasm and mitochondria is absent, and the biconcave structure of RBC it facilitates it can occupies the more hemoglobin. If it's a more hemoglobin is there, then it can binds with the more oxygen. It can carry the more oxygen. That's the reason RBC during evolution that does not have cell organelles and nucleus. That's